Yo guys, Jailbreak has a new update. The silver I don't even know. Silver, just joking. Silver escape in Jailbreak. So they have this. New storm, brain escape. Better trains, new jet new robbery coming soon. Yes, I vote for this. Yes, like to Jailbreak, please. See you in the game. I moved my face cam over here so you can see my money. So, tip. Should I choose police or please? No, prisoner. Because there's a new silver update. So I want to try that. That's so cool. Now, I haven't played this for so long. So yeah, let's try escaping. Okay. Oh no! Oh, it's so laggy. I'll get caught. Oh, I don't know. Oh, bye bye. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh. So the silver is over here. Silver as this, I guess. Silver is over here. Okay, the silver is over here. So, oh, cool. Looking awesome. Let's go here and here. While just out with my Mentos. Oh, it can. Look, it can move by itself. Good. Cool. Run. No, I cannot go that way. Wait. So, where's the exit, huh? Wait, where's the exit? Wait, where's my exit for real? Wait, the exit, please. I'll find my way out. See you. I found a way out. So cool. Why is it so dark? Is it dark here? I guess it's so dark. Let me enter this first. So I'm here with the police. Sorry for not talking. So I'm here with the police. This is just worse. Oh my gosh. I'm just here with the police. Kick? Yes. I kicked him out. Yes. Okay, so where should I go? Where's the criminal base? That's the do they have like any like more faster cars or vehicles? No? It's too dark. Don't they have lights? It's too dark for the screen. Let me just open the light first. I'll come back. So it is more brighter. Yep. What does shift does? If we press shift. Okay. Rob the bank first, or the Jubilee Strong. Okay. Rob the bank first. That's the thing we're gonna do. You can go in. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, can't go. Okay. Sometimes there's a glitch over here. and you can go in like something that you do this. Like, I don't know. It's called a glitch. I don't know. Oh my gosh! Police! Police! Oh! Oh no! He arrested me! I need to pickpocket you, please. Yo, come here. Ah! Oh, sorry. Oh. What should I do? Wait. Weapons. My guns and things like this. Okay, let me open. Let me open this first. No. I don't want to buy a safe. Oh. Safe. What do I even get? Wait, so what do I even get for this? Yeah. I don't understand what do we get for this if we open the safe. Okay. Key card from the police, please. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. It was really hard stealing key cards from police. Really hard. Oh my goodness. It was that hardness. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Key card. Beep beep. Let's go to the bank. Fast, fast, fast. Now. Okay. So we're gonna follow this guy. Okay. Please, can I follow you, sir? I got arrested. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to show you that's it. So bye bye and see you in the next time. Please make sure you subscribe me. Thank you. And leave a comment what to do for this. Okay, bye.